Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to change the screen brightness on this device. So if you feel that the brightness is a little bit too much for you, for your liking, simply enter the menu. So just press this middle button and do it before your device will be blocked. So the menu, then go down and left to find the settings, press select again, go to the system, so the first option, and go to the backlight, press select. And as you can see here, we've got the brightness, which is set on the fifth level. By going to the right, you can make it even brighter, and by going to the left, much darker. So just position this option on your preferable level, and just go back, and this option will be immediately applied on the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.